Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Save space in our RV. We didn't have a whole lot of room to hang clothes. We have just two little teeny closets. So what we came up with was these hanger space savers. So what you do is you can hang them all across the bar like this, right? And when that's hanging, you can hang up your clothes just like that across your bar. Just pretend that that's hanging on a bar, just like that. Here, that's probably a better graphic, isn't it? So you can hang 5 pieces of clothes on your bar. So this is going across your closet bar. And then when you get them all hung up, you just drop that. And how cool is that? You have 5 things hanging in your closet for the space of one hanger up top here.